tutorial, let us see how to use not function. Not function in Excel basically reverses the result. For example, in column E, if I enter equals not, open the bracket and select the cell C29 and enter equals to D29. This is to compare C29 with D29. Since C29 is not equal to D29, but the result will be true. Because the not function itself, it will reverse the result. If the result is false, the not function reverses the result as true. Copy the formula across all the cells. Since none of them is true, the not function has reversed the result as true. If you change the unit price to 2, then you will see the result has changed to false, because C29 and D29 is equal. Because both the condition C29 and D29 is equal, hence both the conditions are met, you have the result as false. If I put 5 for D30, the condition are met because the unit and the unit price is equal. Because the not function reverses, it will show the result as false. Let me change C30 and D30 less than C30 is less than D30. This is showing true because this is not actually true. I'll try for some more units to check if I get the proper result. So I'm in C36, checking with D36. This is the way you can use the not logical function.